Hello everyone, this is my review of the Panwell Shilajit Gummies. The fact that they are zero sugar is a big plus for me, since I try to avoid unnecessary sweeteners. What I really like about this formula is the combination of ingredients. You get shilajit along with seamoss and turmeric, all known for supporting energy, immune health, and overall balance. After using them regularly, I notice a steadier energy level during the day without feeling jittery or crashing later. I also feel more balanced overall, especially when it comes to stress. I cannot say it is an instant effect, but over time, it feels like my body handles daily stress better, and my sleep feels more settled at night. The taste is pleasant and not overly strong, which surprised me because supplements like this can sometimes be hard to enjoy. These are easy to chew and do not feel like a chore to take. If I am being honest, this is not a miracle product, and results feel gradual, not overnight. Consistency really matters, and it works best when paired with good sleep and nutrition. Overall, I am happy with these gummies. If you want a simple zero sugar supplement that supports energy, stress balance, immune health, and general wellness, these Panwell Shilajit Gummies are worth trying.